I've just bought the new latch from VW. Yeah, to replace my broken latch. This is no longer closing the door. Anyone can just use the trunk door to get in my car. Yeah, so the part cost about 1,200 rands. Yeah, so it's a very expensive part. Yeah, so I'm just gonna replace it now. Yeah, I'll share a video later of the replacement of this part. So this is I have changed the latch last night. This is the old latch which was broken and was no longer working. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw it away. Unfortunately, it seems like it's not something that you can just open and fixed. They've made it a consumable. So yeah, just need to buy this and replace it. There's the new one. Let me show you. This one here is the new one put yesterday. To remove this, you just open these two screws, 1, 2, and you just rip the whole cover out. This cover, yeah, just rip the whole cover out. It makes a very clacking noise, but just rip it out, then just unscrew this and just put a new one, and then that's it. Very cheaper than taking the car to VW, I say.